Okay, so Area 0202 Department Overhaul update. Basically redid the entire game. So it's still a little bit buggy. You still load into the previous room instead of the menu, but that's whatever. So now, so where should I start? You can press M twice to get back to here to change teams. So, what team should we start with? We'll start with Rapid Response Team. Also, the music on the menu is like very loud. So, first things first. Yeah, that pops up every time you respawn or die. So, we have the MP5K. And then if we come over here, eventually you get better guns, like an M4, along with the MP5K for some reason. MDR, which is, lovely bullpup. As well as another SMG, and then eventually just the MDR. So, yeah. Still have our second outfit. We're the lucky ones. So, come back to here. ISD. So, I don't know why it didn't save. That's weird. I'm supposed to be a higher rank. But whatever, so MPX, then they added shotguns. But you may notice that we don't have our second outfit, like RRT. And neither do Intelligence Agency. You get different outfits based on your rank. So you start ranking up. Added USP-9 SD, CZ, MPX, of course, nice Remington shotgun, SG. So the rank after this, like, you get a gas mask for, and then I'm not sure what after that. Same thing as like for Intelligence Agency, you get your you do get your hat back. And then there's a little bit of a change to how Ult 5 works, which makes this wall look cleaner, because before it said you must wear your uniform. Now it just spawns you as the civil. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. There was an antivirus ad up on my screen. So you spawn as the civil, and you can just change. Of course, we all know civil's the best. Let's be honest. I'm sorry, I promise I'm not sick, but my nose is running. So, if you don't run with your pistol downward, then you are not OG. I cringe so hard saying that. Yes, I know my voice is groggy. Slight glitch to where you can't see the cursor. The only teams that have had changes to them. MTF is the exact same, except for a bag, but that was added last update. And Security Department's G36C had some updated sounds. But hey, can hear me. You know what? Just to make sure. Alright, there we go. So, hope you people, whoever's watching this, enjoyed. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yes, I got a microphone. You're welcome. Dude who said my voice sounded echoey. Goodbye. Subscribe, question mark, like, question mark. If you guys want me to do a thing like Game Pass or team reviews, I could. I just need an IA, become an SCP, and site command. Then I'd have all the teams, not including admin commands. Because I don't want admin commands, because I've heard that it is very strict. And I'm not good with strictness. So, if you want me to do like team reviews, let me know in comments.